Potatoes, something I think we're all familiar with and we all love. We have a variety of potatoes here for specific reasons and for specific uses. We have some red bliss, which aren't the best choice for mashed potatoes. These are better as a boiling potato. They get really gummy when you mash them. This is a russet, something that we typically bake, which is really the primary use for a russet. They also make great French fries, but they don't make great mashed potatoes. But probably we're very used to mashed potatoes made out of russet potatoes here in America. Here is a Lorette potato, which is a fingerling potato from France, which is really their favorite potato to use for potato puree. It's a very dense potato, so it holds a lot of fat, and that's what we like about mashed potatoes is we get a lot of cream into it, a lot of butter into it. But they're hard to find in the States. So what we like to use is a Yukon Gold potato. It was developed in the late 60s. It's a very dense potato, much like the Lorette potato. It's much bigger and really lends itself to making a beautiful puree of potatoes.